Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will solve you a great problem. I mean, if you cannot download any PDF on your WhatsApp, see here. First of all, update your WhatsApp app. Search here. Just write WhatsApp app and make sure update. Go back and again search here. Just PDF reader. PDF reader and install Adobe Acrobat Reader. Go back and now just long press on WhatsApp app and then tap on just the I button. Scroll down, just tap on force stop and OK. And scroll down, just tap on storage and tap on clear cache. Go back and then tap on permissions. Make sure all permissions allow. Then go back, just restart your phone. I hope now you can download your PDF from WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video.